Here's your chance to own a charming cottage in the country club neighbourhood. This all-brick 3-bedroom home oozes charm and has been in the same family for over 60 years. Walk into a quaint entry with slate floors, leading to a formal living room with a fireplace and natural woodwork throughout. The home features a formal dining room, a unique 5-sided breakfast nook, built-in linen closets, and bookshelves. The primary suite on the second floor includes a sitting area and private bath, with additional space ready for expansion. Enjoy the secluded garden for your gatherings. An attached garage off 27th Street offers quick and reliable winter access. This home is your dream come true. While it needs some TLC, it's well worth the effort.